Hi, this is DL again, and this is the third breath practice at the second gate. So this practice really ties in with the last one we just did, which utilized long, deep breathing. We're going to do that again for this breath that has 3 parts. For the first part, you just need to breathe normally. So what you're going to do, first of all, this is called follow your breath. So what you're going to do is simply breathe and follow, pay attention to your breath. No need to change anything, no need to do long deep breathing here, just a normal breath. And what I want you to focus on as you're doing this is to see if you can feel where the inhalation ends and the exhalation begins, and where the exhalation ends and the inhalation begins. So that's all you're doing here. So hopefully you're sitting upright, nice and tall, so that you have all the space that your diaphragm needs to breathe fully and relaxedly. Have your feet on the ground, your hands in your lap, and just begin to breathe here and notice. Notice that point where the inhalation starts and ends, and where the exhalation starts and ends. Just see if you can feel into that. And just note for yourself when you journal afterwards if you're noticing anything of interest. Maybe your breath is changing a little as you pay attention to it. So for part 2 of this exercise now, we're going to use long deep breathing as you've practiced already. Breathing in from the belly upward to the chest, and then exhaling from the chest down to the belly. Breathe in. And I want you to focus on your inhalation. Even if you're exhaling, I want your focus and your concentration to be on the inhalation. So put all of your attention there and just await the next breath in. So you're just allowing the breath to happen and noticing and focusing only on the inhalation. So go ahead and do that. You might find this one a little tricky because, it's easy when you're inhaling to focus on that inhalation. When you exhale, you still need to be thinking about the next breath, the next inhalation. So just notice how this might be impacting you or changing your breath. Maybe the inhalation itself is somehow changing. Maybe the length of time of the breath. Just notice. Notice if there's any anxiety or anything like that going on, discomfort. It really does take practice to be able to hold the concentration on that one thing, even when you're exhaling. Okay, good. So let's go on to the third step. For this one, you're going to be focusing on the exhalation. So same thing, just place your focus there. When you inhale, be waiting for the next exhalation. So we're just reversing what we just did. So exhale and think, exhale and think, exhale and think, exhale. You can still inhale. Please do, it's recommended. You're just focusing your mind, your thoughts, and your attention on the exhalation. So long, deep breathing. in and out, with your attention on the next exhalation. 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 And again, taking note for yourself, what's happening, what's changing, what thoughts are you having, what comfort or discomfort is being created, how does it feel? Okay, you can rest now, just breathe normally and take some time to journal in your notebook. Okay, I will see you again soon.